Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This video is going to be of me cutting the grass at home. I'm in the front yard here behind me, as you can see. I'm going to cut the front grass, the front lawn, and on the footpath outside the front fence. I'm going to do that. But this video is going to be slightly different. You can watch me cutting the grass and doing my work because I've got today off, which is great. But I want you guys to, instead of making comments about this video, how about you just write something in the comments about your channel, what your channel's about, and why people should subscribe to your channel. So basically it's a video so we can create a little bit of a community feel and everyone can promote themselves in the comments, and you can all subscribe to each other. So I hope you enjoy this video, and of course subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications, and like, share and subscribe as I said, and enjoy your day. Stay safe everyone. Thank you.
There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the